Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Hey guys, it's Amy, and in today's video we're going to be playing a game called Squishy Magic. And basically you can create your own squishies. Like, one I've created is a do the giraffe squishy, and basically then you can tap it, and yeah, for example, if I just do burger, then I can choose what color I want, and then I can do that color for the different parts of it. But so there's one section is where everything you've created, another section which you pick what you want to create, and then the last one is where someone fake messages you what you want, and then you need to try to recreate it, like what I'm doing here. And then it's you will be rated out of 3
Level
stars,
23.
and then
Cool.
the more stars you have is
Sweet.
the more stars you get is
Good job.
will add to the gifts you can get. Then in that gift you can open a new thing. I'll show you what I mean once I get a gift. So brown would go there, white would be for this, then red would be here, and pink here, and then you need more red for the legs and stuff. So hopefully this time I will unlock the gift, which I have. See, when you open it, what you get is like different stuff. For example, this one's a background, but you can get colors and squishies. That looks easy. Anyways, what's that? X, there's the X. I would like it if I had that squishy. Looks cute. And perfect. And then I'm just gonna press home once. Alright, home. I don't another ad, it always makes an ad. I hate ads. What is this? Eliminating all blocks means your IQ is 180. That's not true. That is 100% not true. Anyways. Yo, can you make me a squishy? Paint it like this. Yellow, lighter yellow, blue, pink arms and legs, like lighter yellow in the ears, then blue. And the only reason why I did darker yellow for the ears is because I wanted to see what will happen if you did the wrong thing. Yes, I want to quit. That looks like a really easy game. Anyways, gonna go to this one. Let's do I think I'm gonna do, oops, wasn't meant to press that. It has colors which mix to each other. So, here, the llama. Dark blue, purple, do little pink feet. Okay, like that. Can do red, then yellow, then light yellow, or like reddish, pinkish, like that, and then that can go there. I don't think its face should be glittery, so I'll do basic. Okay, so that's like a squishy, and then I was not meant to do that. I was just testing it out, and then I accidentally pressed it to change the color. Okay, where is that color? Here. Yeah, so like that. And then you can choose the background you want. I like the Stardust one. I think it matches it. Do llama. Okay. So so that was the llama squishy, and I'm gonna do a I'm gonna do a unicorn cake one. So gonna be purple here, then pink. Can't really notice that pink, so I'll do like a different kind of pink, maybe a dark pink. And then the top would be top and bottom same color, then unicorn horn, maybe a light blue. Then the ears are going to be the same pink I used. I think that's the same one. Anyways, then ears will be like that. Doesn't look like I painted the horn, so I'll do it a darker blue. So many ads. I'll do a lilac background for this one. I'm not choosing a name. I wonder what this one is. See, as I was telling you, you could get squishies as well in those reward boxes. That looks like a fun game. Except that person's never gonna pass it, since they're not even putting stuff which match. Finally. Playable factory. Gonna just press the X. So how do King Omnom? It's a funny name. It's from the game Cut the Rope, I'm pretty sure. Do red here, white. It has yellow teeth. No, I'm just kidding. I'll do it white. Clean teeth. And I'm gonna do one blue and one red. Like that. Wow, that was really quick to do. Let's see. One's called Cupcake Fun and then the other one's called Cupcake Party. going to skip that. Bye.